All right. Hi there. So my take is here back on a video, right? Hopefully you're having a good one. It was the end of the year, and I've been thinking a lot about the stuff I've done this year, video and photo wise, right? So we're gonna start. This video is about the video stuff, right? So this year I didn't have a lot of big projects, all right? Not the same as last year. Last year I had a video called Chef Cook While the Filmmaker is Around, or something like that, right? That was like one of the biggest videos I've made, both in my career and ever, right? Last year and in my career and ever, right? One of the best videos I've made, right? This year I was busy thinking about the stuff I've made, which one is the best or which one I like the most, right? Like both making in terms of like videographing the thing and then editing it, right? So you're gonna go through some of those videos, right? And some of the thoughts I have on them, right? Let me open up my what's the thing? Open up my screen recorder, yeah. I didn't do a lot of YouTube videos, it seems, because it's like 30 videos or something less than that for the whole year, right? The plan was to make a video each week. Seems I've made for like half, so it's like on average once in 2 weeks, right? It's not bad, but it's nowhere near what I wanted to make, right? Okay, so we're gonna start with my YouTube channel because there's only a few, and then we're gonna go to my Instagram, right? So let's start with this one. So I made a lot of tutorials this year, right? Most of my videos were just tutorials, and my favorite video I think was one of the first videos, like December holidays at home, right? It has like 31 views 8 months ago. That's when it was published. I like that video so much, right? Because there is a lot of editing. It wasn't that bad because I had edited all the B-roll sequences on there, right? It was just to do a voiceover and then put in some of the other scenes of the things that happened back at home, right? It wasn't as long. It was very short and not that hard to edit, all right? That's like one of my best videos this year and my best edited video on my channel this year, right? It's like up there, right? And then all the others are either tutorials or reviews, right? The next one, like it was a tutorial. I think it's one of the best tutorials I've made, how to cut video to music, right? It's very detailed, right? I went into detail with explaining that. So just by watching that video, I think all the things that you need to know about cutting, almost everything, cutting to video to music, you will learn from the thing, right? So it's one of the best. I've watched the thing a few times. It's very good, right? I'm proud of it, right? What? Yeah. Other than that, how I edit a comedy sketch. That's a nice breakdown as well. It's very detailed. It's very nice. I made it during the lockdown when I had like big hair and whatnot. Yeah, that is it though. Those are the few videos that I think are that good in terms of holy and whatnot, right? And then I make videos for Kind of Tribe as well, which is a YouTube channel for what we do skits on the channel, right? Comedy skits, right? And all those skits are edited by me we have like what, 530 views now, which is a lot. All right. The best video that I edited, let's see how many I made this year. See how many I edited this year. So 2, 4, 5, 10. I didn't edit this one. So 13. I didn't edit these. 13, 16. It's only 16 videos. Yeah, it seems like it's only 16 videos. It looks like it's a lot, but it's really not a lot. Okay, I think there is a lot more work that went into this thing, eh? Let's see, what are my favorite videos? Here, there is Umkan Tribe dealing with iPhone users. I like that video a lot. I think this video was recorded last year, but I edited when we came back from the holidays, right? And then also sleeping with the hitman's girlfriend, I recorded on the same day. It was very nice to edit, very easy stuff though. And the best video in terms of editing, I think it's even better than the December holidays at home one. I'm not sure which one took me longer, but the girlfriend awards, man, I took some time there. I really took some time, right? I made a detailed video about how I edit comedy skits off of the timeline of that video. Man, it was really nice, right? That's why we're gonna do a lot more videos like that. It's 8 minutes, but okay, for comedy 8 minutes is very long, usually it's like 1 minute videos and whatnot. And next year we're aiming on doing like 15 or more minute videos. It's gonna be wild, right? That's my favorite video. That's the video I spend most time editing. Yeah, I had fun editing all the other ones, or shooting them mostly. That's where the fun is mostly. But this one I had nice time editing it as well, right? And then let's go to my Instagram. What happens on my Instagram? Let's see, from start of the year, I made a music video with my brother. It's very nice, right? And what was it called? Very nice piece of music on his part, and very nice editing on my part. But music videos are not that hard, mostly. They're not that hard, right? And that was the first video this year. And then I made one video with my friend got a car, right? So I made a B-roll sequence of that thing. Man, it's one of the good videos this year, right? Yeah, it was the start of the lockdown, this one. And then I made this one. Okay, this is one of the best, right? Actually, people wouldn't know how I took these shots, right? Because although they are fast forwarded, but the movement, it seems too sleek, right? What I did was we had a rope, right, that was hanging there, and then the camera board or the gimbal was on that rope, so I was just pushing the thing. Right, you can see how swiftly the movement is, right? The camera is hanging on the rope. That's why it's so smooth, right? I like this video a lot, both because of the time we had shooting it, right, the creativity behind, and the editing. It's very short, and it's the video I made how to edit video or music to video to music. It's the video I used for the tutorial, right? What else? And that's it. Okay, I made what a lot of like video stories and whatever. One of my favorites. Actually, with this one, we were planning to shoot a music video, but the camera broke down, so we only had the promo, right? Yeah, man, it was nice both shooting the thing and then the edit as well. I killed the thing. So it was only 1 minute, and I killed it, right? And then there are model videos, which are always fun, right? Some guys can really walk, right? Especially this guy, it's Apple. We had nice time beginning of the year, the court shoot, right? Tennis court shoot, and whatnot. Let's see. Those are easy to edit. 45 seconds. It's not that hard, right? But it's the bunch of stuff that I made. Like it's the bulk of the videos I make, right? I made those a lot, right? I'm an expert at making those videos, right? There is one where there's a friend of mine. Okay, this one, yeah, this is the one. Man, camera movement here. The camera movement. I was on my skateboard with my gimbal. Yeah, it's really sick. Really sick stuff. It's one of the best videos I've made this year, right? Yeah, that is it. I think here on my stories, right? All the others not bad, but those were really like the best, right? Hopefully you enjoyed this sort of inside or behind the scenes sort of thoughts that goes towards the work that I've done, and the appreciation that I have for it, right? Let's just make it like that. I like most of the stuff I make. That's the thing. I like both making it, I like it being like the final product and whatnot. And this year, with all its challenges, it wasn't that bad in terms of the videos that I made. Obviously, I have a big video that I need to make, like the Cape Town video. I want to shoot like maybe 10-20 hyperlapses out of that, and 10-20 time lapses, right, of Cape Town's monuments or big places, right, like V&A Waterfront, the Table Mountain, and all those spots, right? That video is gonna be big. I'm not sure when I'm gonna make it because my camera is broken, and it's gonna take me a while to make, right? It's like a few weeks to shoot and a few months to edit, because I want it good, right? It needs to be on a level. I'm good with like hyperlapses and time lapses, right? But I've never combined them, like 10-20 of them in one video, right? So I need that video to be like the blueprint, or like the pinnacle, sort of like the peak in terms of the stuff that I can do, like skill-wise, showing off and whatnot, because I can do a lot more than this stuff I've made here. Limitations are both money-wise and time, right? But I'm working on both those to make great stuff, right? Yeah, that is it. So my thing is, talk to you in the next one. Peace.